Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you guys the packages design with the same project. So in our last tutorials, you can see I have designed for this laundry building using VRF system. So for the same project, I'm going to design for the package unit. So you can see here. So first of all, we have to do the single line drawing, then we have to do the deck sizing, and then we have to do the shop drawing. So you can see in this project I have completed here single line drawing, then deck sizing I also done. Okay, and then here in this I have done the shop drawing as well. So I will explain you guys one by one, so please be with me. This video will be very lengthy, so I will make the video part by part. So please be with me and keep watching my tutorials. Okay, so let us start now. What I'm going to do, this I have already done. So I'm going to just copy this one. Okay, so here you can see the drawing is locked. So let us unlock this first. Okay, then I'm going to copy this one. So use copy command CO and copy this whole drawing, place it here. Okay, so where we go now? So we have copied. Okay, so now what the first step is, you have to place the machine first. So you can see I have already made the package unit here. So I have placed it here. Okay, so this dimension and all for this package unit is given in the catalog data sheet for the package unit. So you can find the same dimension in the data sheet also. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this single line drawing first. Then I will explain you how to start this. Okay. So let us select all these lines. I will explain you drafting and designing as well, both together. So please be with me and keep watching my full video so you can understand the full concept. Okay, so let us select this first so I can explain you how to start this drawing. Erase this. Okay, so I have erased. Also I'm going to remove this sizing as well so that I can explain you from the beginning how to start SLD and how to design, how to size the duct as well. So let us erase all these things first. Okay, so let us erase this. Okay, so it's done. So let me remove this as well. So here you can see this is you have placed first. You have to place the all the diffusers. Okay, then you start the single line drawing. So first of all, you have to place the machine. So I'm going to copy this machine from here. So you use CO command and take any one of the reference line. Just place it here. So you can see I have copied. Now go to the layer and make the duct as a current layer. Then use polyline command, type PL. specify the start point, and then you have to provide the width of the polyline. So type W, and width should be 100. Enter, double enter. Okay, and just draw the line like this to you. Okay, then you have to connect all those diffusers. So I'm going to connect here. I'm going to repeat the command, just press the space button. So I'm going to press space button like that, and then you can draw a line from here up to here, and then up to here. Okay, and then one more line you can draw like this from this diffuser to here, and connect this diffuser as well. Just connect all those diffusers and provide here radius. So use pilot command. Pilot radius should be 150. Okay. So where you go now? The next is this storeroom. So for a storeroom, you can see here two diffusers. So I'm going to provide one more branch here. So I'm going to use PL from here to here. Just connect. Use trim command to trim the extra line. Use fillet command to make the radius. Okay, one more space is sorting area. So for the sorting area, also use polyline command. Okay, just connect all those lines. Okay, now here you can see one diffuser is left for this area, private laundry. So you can connect like this, and one more branch will be for the electrical room. So you have to connect this. Okay, now here will be the end cap. We use polyline command, provide one end cap here. TR, trim the extra line. Okay, and you can use the fillet here. The fillet radius 150. Okay, let's save this. Okay, so you can see the single line drawing is completed. Now in the next tutorial, guys, we have to start the duct sizing. Okay, so that you have to size the duct, then you have to prepare the short drawing. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. So please please be with me and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.